Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can record screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. First of all, we need to open the quick access, so swipe from the top towards the middle twice. There we go. And now over here in these buttons you should be able to find screen recorder. In my case it is located over here in this spot. You may also need to swipe to the next page if you cannot find it here. And then we need to simply tap on the screen recorder button. And there we go. Now we need to select if we want to record no sound at all, or we can record media, so everything that will be played on the device, or media and our microphone as well. We can also enable the option to show taps and touches on the screen. And once we are ready, we can press start recording. We have the countdown, we can also skip it by pressing this button. And there we go, now we are recording the screen. And we also have additional options, like we can draw on the screen anything we want. There we go. We can also undo, of course, by using the arrows. We can press on this person in order to open the front camera, and we can also pause the recording. We can continue the recording if you press the red circle, and if you want to pause the recording you have the square icon. There we go, recording saved. We can quickly open the notification in order to find the video saved notification, and then we can press it in order to watch it. I'm gonna use video player in this case, and let's see how it looks like. So there we go, as you can see it works pretty fine. We can also see the touches, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.